No blizzards. Oh, man. Green up.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Fucking snow map. No, I never played this map before. Oh,
Me either.
I don't think it. No, I definitely haven't. Never fucking played.
Yeah, never played this shit.
What the hell? This don't look like a small. Alright, never. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I just fell off a fucking mountain and I have no health. I'm on yellow. My gun's up already. Yeah, I'm dead. Did you bring your shovel?
You need one.
Oh, man. Oh, gun's up already. Oh. I see you. I see you.
My gun's spitting out.
I see you. I see you. That didn't fucking kill you? Are you serious, bro? That should kill you right there. That's gonna kill you. Get the fuck out of here. What? I saw you behind that. You're right over here. I know where you are. Get away from that. Yeah, I know. I just saw you. You're over here. The fuck did you go? You moved. You bastard. Shit. Obviously now you see.
Oh man.
You didn't use any grenades?
I used one.
I know you
Just
didn't.
fucking-
Oh, that shit's awesome.
Don't worry. That's gonna change this round.
That was. Alright, let's hopefully I don't fall off a fucking cliff. Jeez, bro. I mean, I just literally was like over here. That's where I fucking. Oh, I'm not doing that again. I just fell. What the My spawn, bro, it sucks. What the fuck are. How do you. How the
That was a random fucking grenade. I have no idea where you were.
To your left.
Holy shit.
Bro,
Where the fuck are all I see you?
you see, he's gonna hump. You son of a bitch. The Griffin.
Son of
Bro, I didn't even fucking see that grenade.
a... Holy shit.
Oh my god. Alright.
That was totally random.
Oh, maybe I can. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh, I can go this way. I didn't know that. Go ahead. This is gonna be a different. Hold on. Random grenade. Are you over there? Where? Yeah, this is definitely not my map. Oh, was that you? You son of a bitch. I know you hit me, you fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit! The fuck are you? I see you.
Shit.
You'll never get me over here. Oh,
Oh, yeah, I saw you.
I saw you too. Where are you?
You really gonna hide in there?
Oh, you know where I'm. You son of a bitch. I'll come out. I'll come out right now.
Alright.
I see you. You're right. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you.
see.
You were right. You were right under.
Come out.
Right under.
Come out.
Right underneath me.
I'll come out on top of the fucking ship.
Akamatuna. Akamatuna. the Spectre slide. I'm gonna call that the Spectre slide.
Motherfucker. The Spectre slide.
Alright, let's go this way. Where am I? Oh, don't go that way.
There we go.
Here we go. Random grenade. I haven't got a random grenade. Oh, I see you. Is that you? No, that's not you. Oh shit. Oh, I see you. YouTube. How the fuck did I not kill? Oh, I see you. You dead. You dead. You dead. No, I'm dead.
Where the fuck are you?
Oh, I'm closer than you think, buddy.
I see you.
I'm right above you. I lost you. Oh, I see you. I see you. He saw you the whole fucking time. Grenade. And we're going for the Spectre slide.
You won't get the great spin.
Oh shit. Let's go this way. I hear grenades already. Oh, you spawn over there, huh? Fuck are you? What the fuck? I see you.
Oh, you too?
Oh shit. I'm trying to throw a grenade at you. I'm trying to throw a grenade at you. I had my grenade switch. I was trying to...
With the grenade.
Yep, yep.
I was trying to switch to mine.
Spectre slide. No grenades.
Fuck.
This is a fun map.
I need familiar maps.
I know. This is all new to me too.
Rat race.
Oh fuck the rat races. Where the fuck am I? Where's the fucking snowman? Wait, so there's two snow maps in this game?
There's more than two.
Is there? Where the hell are you? Oh shit!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Where are you?
Wow, what the fuck?
I disappeared. I saw you at the last fucking second. I don't know. Well, there you are. I'm sneaky. Lick 'em. Lick 'em. Oh man, I didn't think I didn't think that was gonna get you.
Me either.
Oh shit. It's like I saw you, but that wasn't a random grenade kill. I threw the grenade at you. Alright, this is gonna be a random grenade right here. Randoms. Nowhere near you.
No, sir.
Oh shit. Did my guy just throw that grenade? Can I climb this? No, I can't. Oh, yes, I can. I think I can climb that. Alright, you're over here. Nope. My gun was up over here. The fuck? There's the grenades. Holy shit. I'm getting closer to you. Oh. Oh.
You don't see shit.
I see you.
You don't see shit.
I do. You're dead. You're dead.
No, sir.
I see you. You're by the fucking that ramp thing. You're hiding behind it. I see you. I'm just fucking.
Damn. Yeah.
Shoot!
Fuck, bitch. Fuck, bitch. Oh, fuck.
This is so
You
good.
should have been dead.
Yo,
You
you
should have been dead.
you can go to bed.
Go to bed.
The spins.
You should have been fucking dead.
Oh, that shit's great.
Huh?
MVP.